Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert any video file into multiple image files all at once in Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first let's just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Video to Photo Extractor, and on the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now just click on this select video. Now select your respective video which you want to convert. You can select multiple videos also. So I'll just select one video just to give you an example. Click on done. Now here you will see the frame interval. So you can select the respective frame interval here. You can select your own custom frame interval also. I'll select the 1 second, and below you will see the formats, and here you will see JPG, PNG and WebP format. So I'll just select the JPG format, and below you will see the quality here. So low, medium and high. So I'll just keep it to high. So once you're done with all your settings, just click on this extract frame. So now it will start showing you all the extracted frames here. So since I have selected 1 second, so as per the 1 second's total number of frames, as you can see right now. So you can select manually one by one also, or you can select all the extracted frame all at once by clicking on select all, and you can click on the save in order to save it as our image files. So you can see it has saved to the gallery or photos application. So let us check. So let me open this gallery application. Now you can see here all the extracted image files. So you can see, so it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily convert any video file into multiple image files all at once in Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.